Hey guys, Sprite here from Condé Systems, and today I'm really excited to show you the newest product offerings we have in our linen line. Our linen is just fantastic. I love the way it looks, I love the way it sublimates, and today I'm going to show you our brand new garden flags. Our garden flags come in two different sizes. They're 2-ply and they're double-sided. So let's get started. The things that I've brought with me today are 2 pieces of protective paper, my linen garden flags, my transfer, my lint roller, Prospray, and a small strip of either Teflon or metal to place into the loophole to keep it from closing. My first step is to sticky lint roll the entire surface of both sides of the garden flag. Next, thread the Teflon through the loophole. Next, I'm going to pre-press my garden flag. First, I'm going to lay down a piece of protective paper on the bottom platen, then place my flag, then follow that with a piece of protective paper and press. Once my pre-press is complete, I'm going to attach my image to my flag by using Prospray. Prospray is Conde's spray adhesive that is formulated for sublimation. Once I have my flag attached to my graphic, it's ready to go to the heat press. I'll put down a piece of protective paper, then the image face down with the flag attached, another piece of protective paper, and press. Be sure to check Conde.com for all of our latest instructions. And now we're ready to sublimate the second side. So to do that, we're going to follow the exact same steps that we did before. So as you can see, our new linen garden flags, they look amazing. Both sides look really good. It's made of a really thick material, so the sun's not going to penetrate through them. This would make a great addition to your storefront. Like I said, they come in 2 different sizes. They would pair really good with our flagpole, our garden pole. This would be an ideal product to help you get into the pet market, maybe home and garden centers. Down here in the South, we love football, we love Mardi Gras, and we definitely love our seasonal garden flags. Contact your Conde account representative today to ask for some more information. This is Sprite from Condé Systems. Happy sublimating.